The average standard height of sewing machines is 27 inches. People are different from each other. There are tall people. There are short people. It is healthy to adjust the sewing height to suit your height and body type, making it comfortable for you. As you can see, there are 2 or 4 screws on each side of the table stand. By loosening these screws, you can lower or raise the height of the machine table to suit your height. Remove the machine head from the table before doing that. Get someone else to hold the table while adjusting. After adjusting the machine table, the most important thing is the chair you will sit on to sew. The chair used for sewing should be adjustable to suit your height and the height of the machine. It should be a chair without armrests on either side. The chair legs should have wheels. The seat and backrest of the chair should be without sponge cushions. When sewing, pick up something you need, turn left or right, pick up something a little further away. I can avoid bad posture when I use a chair with the above-mentioned features. By adjusting your sewing machine to the right height and using an adjustable chair, you can eliminate leg pain, back pain, shoulder pain, arm pain, and neck pain. When sewing, don't lean to the right or left. Sit at the sewing machine with your nose directly over the needle. When the arm is bent at the elbow and the palm is placed on the table, the upper part of the arm should be perpendicular to the floor, and the lower part of the arm should be parallel to the floor. In other words, adjust the height of the chair so that your arm is bent at a 90-degree angle at the elbow. When sewing with a sewing machine for a long time, the heel of the foot bends down or up unnecessarily, which causes pain in the foot. Adjust the motor controller pedals to a comfortable angle between 20 and 30 degrees. The pedal should be parallel to the ground when pressed down. This change can be made with the shaft connecting the motor and the paddle. Next, adjust the foot lifter lever. You should be able to push the foot lifter with your knees without any effort. To do this, your leg should be bent at 90 degrees at the knee, and the top of your leg should be parallel to the floor. That's why you need to adjust the sewing table and chair to suit your height. If you have adjusted the machine and chair correctly, when your arm is on the machine table, your elbow is bent at 90 degrees, and your arm is parallel to the floor. When your leg is on the pedal, your leg is bent at 90 degrees, and your upper leg is parallel to the floor. Do not place the foot lifter too far from the knee, nor do you place the foot lifter unnecessarily close to the right leg. Keep the sewing machine in a place that is visible from a distance, such as a window, and look at something in the distance from time to time while working. This can help relieve eye strain and neck pain. By adjusting your sewing machine and chair as mentioned above, you can sew easily and without physical pain, avoiding nerve compression and muscle strain caused by poor posture. To learn more about this, watch other related videos.